Welcome back to Wednesday Wisdom, where we make astrology simple, practical, and meaningful. In our previous episode, we explored the first four astrological houses, the foundation of your personality, finances, communication, and emotional roots. Today, we continue our fascinating journey through the birth chart as we discover the middle four houses, the fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth houses. These houses reveal how you express your creativity, care for your health, build meaningful relationships, and transform through life's most profound experiences. If you'd like to explore this topic in greater depth with detailed explanations and examples, visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Now, let's unlock the next chapter of your astrological journey. The fifth house, creativity, romance, and joy. The fifth house is often called the house of joy, and for good reason. It represents everything that makes life vibrant and meaningful: your creativity, hobbies, romance, children, entertainment, and the passions that truly light up your soul. Whether it's painting, writing, music, dancing, acting, or any creative pursuit, this house reveals how you naturally express yourself. It also governs the excitement of new love, the butterflies, the laughter, and the thrill of romance. In simple words, the fifth house answers one beautiful question: what truly brings happiness to your life? The sixth house, health, work, and daily habits. While the fifth house teaches us how to enjoy life, the sixth house reminds us how to sustain it. This house governs your health, fitness, nutrition, work environment, daily routines, discipline, and service to others. Our future isn't shaped by occasional efforts, it is built by the habits we repeat every day. The sixth house reveals whether your routines support your dreams or quietly hold you back. Understanding this house encourages you to develop healthy habits, maintain physical well being, and find purpose in your everyday work. The seventh house, marriage and partnerships. The seventh house sits directly opposite the first house, symbolizing the journey from I to we. It governs marriage, life partners, business partnerships, legal agreements, and every significant one to one relationship. This house reveals the qualities you naturally seek in a partner and often reflects aspects of yourself that you discover through relationships. Healthy partnerships aren't simply about finding the right person, they're about becoming the right partner. The seventh house reminds us that every meaningful relationship is an opportunity for growth. The mirror of relationships. Astrology teaches us something fascinating about the seventh house. The people we attract often become mirrors of our own personality. Sometimes they reflect our strengths, sometimes they reveal qualities we haven't fully accepted within ourselves. By understanding your seventh house, you begin recognizing repeating relationship patterns, making wiser choices, and building deeper emotional connections based on understanding rather than expectation. The eighth house transformation. The eighth house is one of the deepest and most powerful houses in astrology. It governs transformation, shared finances, inheritances, deep emotional bonds, intimacy, and life's major turning points. This isn't simply about endings, it is about rebirth. Every difficult experience, every emotional breakthrough, and every life changing event shapes you into a stronger version of yourself. The eighth house teaches us that growth often begins where comfort ends. The hidden strength within you, the eighth house, also represents your inner courage. It encourages you to face fears instead of avoiding them. Whether overcoming financial challenges, emotional pain, or unexpected life changes, this house shows your remarkable ability to transform adversity into wisdom. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, every ending creates the possibility of a new beginning. The middle four houses together, middle four houses form the bridge between your personal foundation and your larger life purpose. The fifth house teaches you to create, the sixth house teaches you to serve, the seventh house teaches you to connect, the eighth house teaches you to transform. Together, these four houses help you become a wiser, healthier, more compassionate, and emotionally stronger individual. Today, we've explored four remarkable chapters of your birth chart. The fifth house inspires your creativity. The sixth house strengthens your daily life. The seventh house enriches your relationships. And the eighth house transforms your soul through life's deepest experiences. In our next episode, we'll explore the final four houses, covering higher learning, career, friendships, spirituality, and your life's ultimate purpose. If you'd like to dive deeper into astrology, remember that our blog offers comprehensive articles with practical explanations and illustrations. You'll find the link in the description below. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to Variety is the Spice of Life. Your support motivates us to continue creating insightful content on astrology, fitness, food, music, and heartwarming stories. Until next Wednesday, keep exploring the wisdom of the stars because every birth chart is a roadmap waiting to be understood.